Hello everyone, today I'll show you quickly the updated 1.4 version of the downhill bike asset on FAP. You can find a link in the description for the asset. There is a free demo available there to download and try the bike before you buy it. So as you can see, I built a ramp here so you can test the bike and the newly imported tricks here. At the right, you can see the key combinations that you need to press in order to do the tricks. So for example, jumping and then pressing E, then W, then S, it will do a Superman trick. So let's try it right now. E, W, S, and here is the Superman trick. I'll now put all the trick animations so you can check them. The asset now fully supports the new enhanced input system. You can see all the input actions, the mouse movement, and all the tricks are implemented as the new enhanced input system. You have two different mapping contexts. One is for the controlling the bike and the other is for performing the tricks. So guys, if you like this, please go to the FAP and check out the demo level. And if you like the product, you can get it on FAP. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!